I am building a forest lantern night light, and in my previous video I built the base and sculpted 4 trees on the corners. In this video I complete 2 of the faux stained glass panels and it transforms the lantern into something magical. A novel approach to faux stained glass is to mix white glue with food coloring. The white glue dries clear and the food coloring sets bright with a good transparency. The black lines are made with a liquid lead that is easily available at art supply stores. Once the glue and coloring dries, it is important to varnish the panels. This will make them waterproof. The one panel shows a stream in a forest with boulders next to it, to hint at the Red Riding Hood story where the wolf gets boulders sewn into his tummy after Red Riding Hood's grandmother is freed. The other panel shows the wolf standing in the distance with stark trees in the background. Coloring helps to lower anxiety by allowing you to focus on a single simple task, which brings down heart rates and quiets racing thoughts. You can enjoy the moment. It's like having a little time to escape the daily worries. It also stimulates the brain as you engage both hemispheres, combining the logical, structural aspect of staying within the lines with the creative, artistic aspect of color selection. It is a low-stakes activity that offers a digital detox, helping people disconnect from screens and reconnect with tactile, creative work. Stained glass windows are inherently alluring because they bridge the gap between art and light, transforming functional architectural elements into dynamic emotional experiences. Their appeal lies in the interplay of vibrant color, shifting natural light, and the emotional, spiritual, or storytelling capacity of the imagery. Stained glass windows were historically known as the Bibles for the poor, as it illustrated the biblical scenes to the illiterate populations of the Middle Ages. Stained glass transforms ordinary spaces into sacred and magical ones. They create an otherworldly, awe-inspiring atmosphere. Thank you for watching, and look out for my next video. I hope to do the fourth panel and also to add foliage to the trees.